Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're gonna do Thanksgiving keto bread recipe. Coming up next. Hey friends, this is the simplest Thanksgiving keto recipe. I am Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and I'm so pumped for this video. Smash the like button, click subscribe with the bell notifications, and get my free weekly Wednesday keto meal plan, totally a free keto meal plan, in the description link or bio link below. Let's dive into this easy Thanksgiving best keto bread recipe you'll ever make. It's so simple with just 5 ingredients. If I, the Sesame Street chef, can do it, you can do it too. So you're gonna need a couple things. Let me show you what I got. So Aldi got my coconut flour. You're gonna need some coconut flour. This one, you can get it from Aldi. I will link down below if you want it ordered from Amazon. It's really simple. If Aldi has it, you can probably find it a bunch of different places. Next, you're gonna go ahead and need some grass-fed butter. You can use regular butter. I prefer grass-fed. Aldi now also has, Aldi for the win. Aldi, not sponsored, but would love to be sponsored by them. It has pure Irish butter. You can get that. Next, we're gonna use some garlic powder in there. I have my organic cage-free eggs, also from Aldi. And then the final component is we're gonna have some baking soda for your ingredients. You're gonna need a half a cup of the coconut flour, 1 teaspoon of the garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of the baking soda, 1/4 of a cup of the butter. I like to have it like sitting out at room temperature and then melt it from there in the microwave or over the stovetop, and then 4 eggs. That is it. This is the simplest recipe. Literally mix your eggs together, put them in your, all of your ingredients into a mixer, mix it together. And then I use one of these scoopers. I will link this too down below in the description or the link in the bio. It's literally for cookie scooping, but they make for the perfect biscuit size. Scoop it out, put it onto parchment paper. You can use Reynolds as my favorite. Again, not sponsored, although I wish I was. I like their parchment paper that's already pre-cut, so you don't have to mess with like ripping it or have your kid almost cut his finger off. Not that I've done that. These already come pre-cut. I did get these parchment paper from my latest Dollar Tree haul, so you have different options. If you want your kids to help you with this recipe, I can tell my little boy, hey, get me a piece of parchment paper and not have to worry about him not having an opposable thumb anymore. So literally super simple ingredients. Heat your oven to 350 degrees. Scoop your sweet little biscuits out and cook them for 20 minutes, and then your biscuits are done. I have found that I put a bunch of these, made extra, and then froze them into my freezer to use with my low-carb strawberry jam. I will link that strawberry jam video too in the description link or link in the bio. Super, super simple to make strawberry jam. Again, I'm somewhat the Sesame Street chef, and it was very, very simple to make and easy to make with 5 ingredients for garlic biscuits. I do like having the garlic bit just to add some extra taste into it. Of course, you could omit that and instead put some pink Himalayan salt instead as a switch up, but I just like to have the garlic flavoring in the biscuits as well. So simple. Now you may want to bring to your Thanksgiving dinner, having a side with your keto biscuits, your keto bread. You can have with that my low carb jelly recipe. I did a jelly recipe this summer, super, super simple with strawberries. The lowest carb count would be blackberries, but you could use strawberries, raspberries, blueberries would be the highest keto berry count that you could do, but make your own low carb jelly. It's very simple. And we freeze our jelly. I don't know how to use a jam thing with the jars. What's that called? Canning. I don't know how to do that. So I just froze mine and it worked out very well. Just scooping out and then microwaving the portions on top of the hot keto bread, ooey gooey keto biscuits. It makes for the perfect Thanksgiving side dish. These dogs are not dummies. He knows. He was standing right here panting, wanting some of this deliciousness. If you find this video helpful, smash that heart button, smash that like button, click subscribe with the bell notifications, and get my free weekly Wednesday weight loss email, my gift to you, so you can help lose weight on your weight loss journey too. Make it a powerful day and happy Thanksgiving, friends.